We've had a very engageful event with the Mzee, Baba, with the delegates who are the officials of the party podium from Nyamira and the Kisii County. It's important to note that Baba is in the entourage of making sure he has gotten views of the Kenyans, what we call a consultative meeting in the country, and he has done it. He sampled out a number of, he may not go to all the 47 counties, but he has sampled few, and those views will inform him going forward how we are going to engage with the national government, as it were.
Nothing like a community producing a candidate. Somebody who is running for the presidency, running for the presidency of Kenya. See, you cannot be elected president of Kenya on the basis of the Kisii votes, or the Luo votes, or the Raila votes for that matter, or even the Mount Kenya votes. If you want to be elected, you'll be elected by Kenya generally. So that is something that we deal with when the actual time comes. So Matiang'i has not, at this time, come out to speak. It's clear that he wants to run for the president.